Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have 10 amazing deals over at Home Depot to share with you. We'll have links down below to all the deals that we take a look at. First up, we have the Milwaukee Hole Dozer General Purpose Bimetal Hole Saw Set with titanium drill bit set and spade bit set. It's a 44-piece set. So it says that normally collectively is $167. It's down to $99. Now, at the time of recording, there's only 13 available, so it may be sold out by the time you see this, but hopefully it gets restocked while the promotion is still available. And this drill bit set is included with a bunch of different bundles, if you will. So if the drill bit set is something you're interested in, give it a little search on Home Depot's website, and you will likely see 15 or 20 different combinations that come with that. Then the whole dozer stuff's always really nice. Comes with a handy dandy case, and that's really your high value item in the bundle. And then throwing in these other guys with the spade bits and everything. Next up, we have the Ridgid 18-volt brushless 2-tool combo kit with reciprocating saw and multi-tools. Now, using the phrase combo kit does make it a little confusing. I'm guessing they're using the word kit because there's 2 tools included. Generally, when you see the word kit, that means battery charger included, so don't get confused in that. This is for the tools only. But brushless, also, I believe the brushless, does it apply to both? They are both brushless, aren't they? So it does apply to both. They have another SKU where it says brushless and it's 2 tools. And I can't remember if it was Ridgid or Ryobi or what it was, but one tool was brushless, the other tool was not brushless, and that was also confusing. Anyway, this is normally listed for $318 as the bundle price and down to $169, so about $85 a piece for 2 brushless tools. Another Ridgid deal for you. This time we're getting a full kit with the 2 amp hour battery and the charger, the job site blower kit. And again, this time with the word kit, we're actually getting the battery and charger. But $99 to get a tool and an entire kit is a really good deal. If you're in Ridgid's lineup or if you want to get into it, it's a good way to get started or expand. It says it's normally $197. Another Milwaukee deal, we have the bimetal reciprocating saw blade set and shockwave impact duty screwdriver bit set. 43-piece set, in that case, comes with the handy dandy case. Normally at $59.97, now $25.97. Now, lots of this one's still available, $1,960, so we don't have to worry about that selling out anytime soon. We have a nice array of reciprocating saw blades that come with this set. Looks like we got some metal and wood cutting. We even have a pruner there. As for the case, we mostly have just the little insert bits there, but we do have a row of mixed, looks like some nut drivers, the 2-inch bits, and the bit holder. And of course, those guys are all modular, like you can make it any way you please, if you have other ones to go with it, that is. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Titanium Drill Bit Set. So again, we're getting those same drill bits with the case from previous. So with this combination, it says it's normally $54.97. That seems a little inflated to me, but $19.97. Of course, you're getting free shipping with almost everything on Home Depot's website. It's kind of interesting. It used to be free shipping on, was it over $35 or something? But they did away with that several years ago, where it seems like almost everything comes with free shipping nowadays. In any event, $19.97, you get the full drill bit set, you get the drive bit set. Ridgid 18-volt drywall cutout tool with 2 amp hour battery and charger. So another full kit with the 2 amp hour battery and only $79. It's really hard to get kits of any brand under $100. So $79, really good deal, especially if you're doing some drywall. At that price, even if you just have one mildly large project, it's kind of worth picking up just for the time and ease purposes. Here we have some Ridgid corded tools. So in this instance, you don't even have to be in their battery platform to take advantage of the amazing deal. 5.5 amp corded fixed base trim router with the 2.4 amp corded quarter sheet sander for all your woodworking needs. What is that? Okay, anyway, was $179 down to $99. So $50 a piece. Not such a great deal when you break it down like that for the sander, but that would be a pretty amazing deal on the router. Collectively, I like it. Speaking of things I like, Ryobi 9 amp corded 7 1/4 compound miter saw with universal stand. Normally 328, sounds ridiculous, but down to 129 now. Looks like we have 70 available. I've had a couple of 7 1/4 inch miter saws so far, and I really like them. I first had the Heart tools from Walmart because I got it at a stupid clearance price, like $25 in store. And at first I didn't think I would use it at all, and I ended up using it a lot because so much stuff is just smaller things, and it was light and easy to carry. My other miter saw is a 12-inch slider, and it's heavy as shit, and you don't want to take it anywhere. Especially I keep it in the basement, so I'm lugging it up basement steps and everything. So the 7 1/4 I ended up getting a lot more use than I thought. And you kind of realize, wow, this tackles like 80% of what I need to do with a miter saw anyways. So since I was so happy with that, I upgraded to the DeWalt 20 volt, so now that it's cordless. And because it's 7 1/4 and you're not making a ton of like high draw cuts, a 5 amp hour battery or something lasts a reasonably long time for most projects, and it's even easier to carry around. So my point is, don't poo-poo the 7 1/4 inch miter saw. It can still do a ton of stuff, and this one being corded, on the downside, you got to have electricity, and you got to be able to plug it in. On the plus side, you don't have to be in Ryobi's battery platform to get that miter saw for $129. As far as the stand goes, I really like that it has the little outrigger supports there. Not all of them have that, and they're rollers, which I like better than the one I have right now. It does not have rollers, and it seems like it'd be a little bit more convenient. The other side of that, though, is it doesn't look like there's wheels. I don't see wheels. They could be hiding wheels. No wheels, no bueno. No wheels, no bueno. The bueno is no. Here we have, there's the picture. Empire 6-inch pocket combination square and 7-inch poly cast, also known as plastic, rafter square. It is a two-piece kit down to $8.97, so $4.50 a piece. Couldn't beat that with a stick. And here we have the Milwaukee 3/8-inch drive SAE N metric ratchet and socket mechanic tool set with a 3/8-inch drive 5-inch stubby ratchet. And if we go over this little graphic, we can see what is included in this set. Generally, I don't buy the Milwaukee hand tools. I think they're just overpriced, but some people really like their Milwaukee stuff. They want to have their hand tools matching their other tools, or for whatever purpose you have. $129, getting the free ratchet is good. It's not the most amazing deal we've ever seen. You can get this set, similar sets, every once in a while you'll see them on sale down to like $99. So we can do a little better if you're willing to hold out, but this is including the additional 3/8-inch stubby ratchet. So if it's something you can use, it's nice to throw that in as a bonus. Also, you're not waiting around for the next sale. If we take a look at the same model number at some competitors, the current pricing, Acme Tools is $189, and you're not getting that stubby ratchet. And then over at Northern Tool, it's also $189 and not getting the stubby ratchet. So as far as prices available right now, pretty good deal. Now, I also want to draw your attention to my Home Depot tool deals list that I am updating weekly, so I'll be updating it again here in just a few days. Now, because Home Depot has such a huge amount of products, I have broken it down by brand. Now, this will be linked down below, but for future reference, under the Daily Deals menu bar, you can see all the different stores that I have the deal list for, and every one of them I'm updating once a week, just kind of going in a rotation as the week goes on. For instance, I just updated Advanced Auto Parts today, and we'll be doing Tool Nut either later tonight or tomorrow. So, everything by brand. For instance, let's look at the latest DeWalt deals. Now, a lot of times you'll end up getting the combos that come with free tools in this as well, because they're putting in the combined price and then taking down the discount. So this list is the most discounted tools as the prices appear on Home Depot's website. I cannot make determinations on the accuracy of the original pricing, if the tool was ever worth that much, but it's what they say, and then we're taking the discount. So be sure to select your favorite tool brands and take a gander. Again, we're going to be updating it every week. There's another reciprocating saw blade set, this time from DeWalt. Seems pretty similar as far as the selection of what was included as the Milwaukee one, except for we're not getting that free bit set for the DeWalt set. But there it is, guys. I will include this link down below with all the others. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and I'll see you next time.